A snowman truffle is a delightful treat often made for the winter season, typically resembling a snowman in its appearance. These truffles are usually made with a soft, creamy filling and are coated with desiccated coconut or white chocolate icing to give them their snowy look. If you want to make snowman truffles with a coconut twist, here's a simple recipe to make snowman truffles at home. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Snowman Truffles. For the truffle base, take 2 cups desiccated coconut, 3/4 cup sweetened condensed milk, 'Combine well. Mix well until it forms a sticky dough. Take 1 tablespoon coconut stuffing. Make round balls for base. Now take 1 teaspoon stuffing and again make small round balls. Make balls as shown. Roll the mixture into 2 sizes of balls. All you need is 2 measuring spoons, 1 bigger and 1 smaller, to form 2 sizes ball, 1 for base and another one for snowman's head. Take some desiccated coconut. Roll the truffles in extra desiccated coconut while they are still wet. Coat the truffles properly. Coat with desiccated coconut. Coat properly. Repeat the same procedure for all. Refrigerate for about 20 to 30 minutes until the coating is firm up. Take some white chocolate or candy melts. Melt in the microwave 20 seconds break. Place 20 more seconds until it's completely melts. Stir well. Remove the truffles from the refrigerator. Add some melted chocolate on each bigger-sized ball. Stack truffles using melted chocolate as a glue to make a snowman shape. Stack on each other. Stack smaller balls on bigger-sized balls to make snowmen. Again, keep in the refrigerator until chocolate set, and they hold shape. Snowman truffles hold the shape. Time to decorate the snowman. I'm using black icing. You can use edible marker as well. Pipe small dots directly on snowmen to form the eyes and buttons. Draw the eyes and button as shown. You can also draw the snowman's smile. I'm making smaller, but you can also stack 3 balls on each other for tall snowmen, then you will get fewer snowmen. You can even use black sprinkles or chocolate chips instead of this. Place the truffles as shown. You have to lay down the snowmen as it is. Otherwise, you will ruin them. Repeat the same procedure for all. Keep in the refrigerator until set. Allow the icing to harden before moving the snowman. I'm using these sweet belts as a scarf. It's too thick. I'm gonna split it into 2. To make 2 ribbons. Keep aside, we'll use it later. Repeat the same procedure for all. I have this carrot-shaped sprinkle for nose. Cut into small pieces for the nose. Also, I have this sprinkles too. For snowman arms, take pretzel sticks. Break it. Once the snowman icing is set, remove from the refrigerator. It's time to tie the scarf. Stick scarf with edible glue or white chocolate. Take some melted white chocolate to stick it. Drape it as per your choice. I have this different belt as well. Fold it. There are several ways to wear scarves. Drape as per your preference. Wrap it in a different style. Apply melted chocolate as a glue. For arms, insert small pretzel sticks into the sides. Insert pretzel sticks into both sides for arms. Repeat the same procedure for all. Attach the sprinkle as a nose. I'm trying carrot, but it looks like penguin instead of a snowman, so I'm gonna stick with small sprinkles. You can also use dried apricot or icing for the snowman nose. Repeat the same procedure for all. Keep in the refrigerator one last time until ready to serve. Sprinkle some extra desiccated coconut optional for snow-like effect. Serve chilled and enjoy the festive coconut treat. The quantity of measurement is perfect to make 9 snowmen. These coconut snowman truffles are perfect for winter gatherings, combining a fun seasonal appearance with a tropical flavor. You can also make this with Oreos and cream cheese mixture and dip the balls into the melted white chocolate, ensuring they are fully coated. Use a fork to lift and tap off excess chocolate and refrigerate to set. Let me know if you'd like variations or additional tips. Enjoy these cute, customizable snowman truffles as a festive dessert or give someone as a gift. It's fun to make. You and your kids gonna enjoy and love it. Do give it a try the recipe this winter and enjoy it. Do try this coconut truffle recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Every single piece of snowman looks incredibly beautiful. Store in an airtight container. Keep in the refrigerator and use within a week. Or if you're serving them within a day or two, they can be kept at room temperature in a cool, dry place. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.